Hi everybody, thanks for joining us today. We're about to start testing this Li-Ning Windstorm 500 badminton racket. I'm holding it upside down so I can read the specification here. The racket the shaft stiffness is more towards soft than it is towards hard. The weight of the racket is 79 plus or minus 3 grams. It's the overall weight of the racket. The balance point is 298 plus or minus 5 mil, and I can't tell you exactly what Li-Ning refer to, whether they refer to 298, whether that's even balance, head light or head heavy. We do our own independent tests of all badminton rackets, and our results are quite often very different to the manufacturers, which is why we do them. Right now we're going to do a weight test to see how heavy this racket is. Okay, so this racket is actually a 4U racket as opposed to a 5U racket, 81.6. Again, the weight can vary racket to racket, but this particular one is a 4U, not 5U as the label suggests. We're now going to do a smash test. Great, smash test is done. Time to do a maneuver test to see how quickly this racket moves through the air. Brilliant. Time to do a control test to see how effective this racket is at controlling the shuttlecock. The results of these tests will be put onto our main site, which will be launched in a few months' time. For the time being, you can register for updates on www.badmintonracketreview.co.uk. There's loads more videos on this channel, so please be sure to watch them. Thanks a lot.